So today I'm doing a 2-in-1 hairstyle, the hair crimps, and also how to straighten and make your lace frontal wig look very natural without baby hairs. And no glue, no sew, and no tape. So this is a lace frontal wig from Tinashe hair. It's about 20 inches long. All details will be in the descriptions box on the specifics, but it is pre-plucked and it is not pre-bleached though. So what I'm doing here is just wetting and putting a little bleach on the hairline because it's so much easier to pluck and recreate a hairline. But it's like the hairs just slip right out. So my edges kind of slit, it kind of sits low, and on the forehead area it sits back because my forehead is so big. So you'll see me doing this a few times and then I'll go straight into styling. Okay, so this is how you get that glueless lace wig that you see on Instagram, like when they pull it back and then it goes back into place without any glue. This is how it is. So I just have the bands tied really tight in the back of the wig so that it fits down. But what makes it sit down really is the mousse and then a little edge control. And that's it for the first style. On to style number 2, I'm testing out this new Conair crimper that I got from Walmart for 20 bucks. So I'm just trying to see how it works, but I mean, we've seen the intro clips, so it actually did work. So I'm just using some curl shaping gel from Garnier Fructis just to kind of hold the crimps in place because you don't want the really loose ones because they just fall right out. So I would say leave it on for about 10 seconds and then move on to the next section. If you're still watching, please make sure you thumbs up this video and drop a comment, drop a red heart in the comments so I'll know that you guys watched this far, and I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. So I decided to cut it into a bob just to be different, but overall the hair seems to be really nice and soft and human, definitely human hair. So comment below if you like the styles, and I'll be doing a giveaway on the bob wig. All details will be in the description box.